Will the next 12 months be the best for your immigration law firm? How to make this coming year the best year for your immigration law firm? Let's face it. Getting immigration law clients is not easy. It can be expensive as hell. But all that trouble makes it worth it when you get a client. One single client. One such opportunity just arrived, right from Google. You might want to look into and take advantage of. Your business life will change considerably in this coming year when you do. You may have heard of some of the information, but may not know the drawbacks and cautionary notes that go along with it on how to make the most of it, while reducing ad cost and increasing your take-home pay. Did you hear what happened to Stanley, an attorney in Marina del Rey, California, and how he expanded to neighboring cities, and is making out like a bandit? Want to know what he did? If you now have a chance to have as many leads, calls, and appointments, as many as you can possibly handle, how many incoming calls would you like? And pay less to acquire them? If you are open to more calls, more business and more revenue in the next 12 months, and don't want to spend as much as you had spent before on advertising and promoting your immigration attorney services, then I have some interesting information in the short videos that follow. You'll be introduced to ways in which your firm can get not just views and not just clicks that eat up your firm's hard-earned money, but actual incoming phone calls from potential clients in desperate search of an immigration attorney like you. Would you like to know more? What if you could increase conversion rate of clicks, which is 1 to 2%, to not 15 to 25%, but 15 times to 25 times, to your immigration law firm? Would you want to know more? Actual calls, not just views, or wasteful clicks. Most immigration attorneys in charge of growing practices we have helped are looking for calls from potential clients interested in their services. They have tried most of the other services, like PPC, Facebook ads, SEO, Angie's List, Groupon, Yelp, HomeAdvisor, and found out the hard way some very disturbing facts. 1. These are expensive. 2. The same leads are being sent to 5 others, so there's no exclusivity. 3. If you didn't respond right away, the leads that you are paying for went to someone else. An everyday tragedy and continuous loss to immigration law practices like yours. So, now, working with Google, there is a new way, which helps immigration attorneys just like you, gain more paying clients, via actual incoming phone calls. This is pay-per-call advertising. I'll tell you more about this way of stopping this drain on your finances, increasing your calls, appointments, and revenue, in the next video. I would very much like to hear what you think about this idea of helping immigration law firms and potential clients seeking help. Simply have someone in your office reply, "Immigration calls," and we'll get right back to you. This is Oscar, on behalf of Dr. Shiraj, signing off. Do connect with my boss on LinkedIn so she can share immigration law firm case studies with you, and how immigration law firms blossom after engaging with us.